However, the discussion they are having is incredibly really bullish. The market will now focus on employment statistics, which makes up the other 50% of the fans' mandate, with the expectation of a stable 3.9% unemployment rate and the addition of 185,000 jobs. This will help contain inflation. I expect the upswing in risk assets to continue if these forecasts come true, and I expect Bitcoin to test its previous highs in the upcoming weeks. Hopefully that's what we witness. Although the market is ready to lower prices and interest rates, it has finally realized that the economy is still strong enough to not require them. Therefore, a sustained slowdown in inflation combined with strong employment data is bullish for risk assets. Conversely, a slowdown in employment and growth could lead the market to start doubting the strength of the economy and making recessionary predictions, which would result in the famous scenario where rate cuts are initially negative for risk assets. The PCE figures released on Friday may persuade traditional finance investors to reinvest in the spot Bitcoin ETF, as investments have recently stalled. This week's early trading in the US sessions will either validate or refute this theory. Without a doubt, Friday's jobless figures will also be relevant. Simply said, this is some excellent information that helps us understand what needs our attention. The unemployment rate on Friday will likely determine whether or not we have a pleasant weekend. In my opinion, the market will continue to rise if the data is roughly what is predicted. There's a good chance that things will not go as planned and that we will witness some significant adjustments. This video clip was taken from my twice or 3 times a week Sensi market updates on the Cryptonaires Discord channel. You are losing out on cryptocurrency if you miss this alpha. Join our free chats by clicking the link in the description below, get involved in the discussion, and begin learning right away. I'm hoping you like the video. This is a crucial matter. Please pay close attention to what I say. This is from Wisconsin PBS, which is located in the middle of the United States. However, the discussion they are having is incredibly bullish for the global economy, particularly the cryptocurrency industry. This year, the Wisconsin Pension Fund, which is among the most financially sound in the country, took some risky moves. It made Bitcoin investments. The vast majority of government employees are covered by the Employee Trust Fund, which provides retirement benefits. However, is this a change or in line with the reputation of a pension fund that is well known for being steady, cautious, and astute with investments? Our next speaker claims that it's getting attention. It should be noted that PBS Wisconsin staff members are covered by the Wisconsin Retirement Plan. David Krause, an associate professor of finance at Marquette University and an honorary professor, joins us. And once again, I appreciate you being here. I'm grateful. What response has this news received inside the investment industry? The pension fund's early adoption of the Bitcoin ETF has the finance community somewhat in disbelief. They predict that institutional involvement in Bitcoin investing may not occur for a number of years. Therefore, the Bitcoin ETF is distinct from the kind of Bitcoins that people perhaps contain in their virtual wallets. Yes, you are correct. The SEC authorized the spot Bitcoin ETF in January of this year. This made it possible for investors such as university systems, or in this instance, the Wisconsin Investment Board SWIB, to directly purchase the SEC-regulated, highly liquid assets that are traded on exchanges. Still, did you find that surprising? Yes, it was. The noteworthy aspect of this is that a percentage of pension funds are being invested in Bitcoin Spot, an exchange-traded fund. That is significant because pension funds and other retirement accounts hold billions, if not trillions, of assets in the United States. Furthermore, if we start to see 5% or 10% of those monies invested in particular cryptocurrency assets, that would just serve to fan the flames even more. I'm going to keep this video in the description for now. Additionally, PBS offers a slower-paced viewing option for the entire event, which I found to be rather effective in helping me comprehend the main points of what was going on. Hey, it might be good news for all of us in the long run. NFL kicker Spencer Schrader of the Indianapolis Colts says he will accept his whole signing bonus in Bitcoin. Professional athletes that have no problem discussing taking their bonuses or their whole income in Bitcoin. I've read reports that certain Japanese esports players are using XRP. Is this considered mainstream? Because these people have millions and millions of followers on their TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter profiles. And when their followers who do not believe in cryptocurrencies or who regard them as a scam begin to see their favorite celebrity star or whatever accepting their real bonuses or paying cryptocurrencies, that might inspire the next billion people to enter the market. And on that, I'm really optimistic. I'll just play this little video. We witnessed Saquon and OBJ accept Bitcoin in exchange for a portion of their pay or signing bonus. As a recently signed NFL kicker, what are your thoughts on Bitcoin? I can tell you that now, though. My whole signing bonus is being taken out in Bitcoin. We observed, fine, people are optimistic. People's attitude towards cryptocurrencies is currently optimistic. I have no doubt that 2025 and the latter part of 2024 will be amazing years.